special videocast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers markets news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wong. First, the US dollar. The dollar rose on Wednesday after risk appetite suddenly collapsed, following the data from the European Central Bank, which showed a continued reluctance of the banks to lend, prompting fears of the credit squeeze. The dollar ended the day at 1.2936 to the euro and 77.93 to the yen. Today, pending home sales are expected to show a fall in the rates of growth. Next to the euro plummeted after the sudden fall in the risk appetite, following the release of the data which showed a record increase in the European Central Bank deposit, indicating unwillingness of the financial institutions to lend and the possibility of another credit crunch. The single currency ended the day at 100.82 to the yen and 0.8372 to the pound. British pound. The pound fell more than 1.6% in a day after renewed Eurozone's credit concerns led to the fresh bounce of the risk aversions. Sterling ended the Wednesday at 1.5450 versus the dollar and 120.38 to the yen. Japanese yens. The yen rose strongly versus most counterparts after concern over the Eurozone's lead to the sales off in riskier currency, while the 6-7 yens benefited. The Japanese currency ended the day at 77.93 to the dollar and 100.82 to the euro. Manufacturing PMI today headlines economic sockets. And now the sections you've been waiting for, markets tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.2955 with targets at 1.29 and 1.286 in extensions. Above 1.2955, look for further upside with 1.3015 and 1.305 as targets. If you trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.5545 with targets at 1.5425 and 1.5405 in extensions. Above 1.5545, look for further upside with 1.5575 and 1.56 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yens, our preference is to open short positions below 78 with targets at 77.65 and 77.52 in extensions. Above 78, look for further upside with 78.1 and 78.2 as targets. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in tomorrow for the latest markets news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wong and you've been watching